following presentation is based on the research related to the importance of local integration of refugee settlements in city development and economic growth. This research will consider two key definitions given by UNHCR on internally displaced persons and forced displacement. Need for the study. The growing urbanization rate across the world is influenced by the increase in the number of internally displaced persons and refugees. According to UNHCR Global Trends, 82.4 million people were forcibly displaced in 2020 due to conflict, violence, or other disturbing events. Among them, 53.2 million people were internally displaced. In the wake of the recent Ukraine-Russia war, 5.9 million Ukrainians were internally displaced as of 5th December 2022. In response to this humanitarian crisis, UNHCR and other international aid organizations provide temporary protection in planned or managed refugee camps and other host communities isolated from the civilized world. Due to the uncertainty of repatriation, these temporary settlements slowly transform into accidental cities, restricted to poorest lands and lack in basic urban services, like the Kahada IDP camp in Somalia or the IDP camp in northwestern Syria. Previous studies have extensively documented the growth and transformation of refugee settlements in temporary settings such as camps, collective centers, and host neighborhoods over the years, but fewer studies highlight the process of integration of these settlements with existing physical fabric of host communities due to safety, economic, and environmental concerns, and main focus of international organizations including UNHCR on repatriation and reintegration. As mentioned in UNHCR Handbook of Emergencies, other solutions for settlement in urban areas for refugees includes dispersed self-settlement without legal status or self-settled unplanned camps, also known as spontaneous settlements. Therefore, this study will focus on exploring the integration of refugee shelter and settlement with adjacent urban settings based on transitional and incremental upgradation process. The study will also highlight the importance of local integration and self-settlement of refugees in urban areas as a key asset in urban development and economic improvement of host cities. The study will analyze morphological, temporal, physical, socioeconomic, and functional transformations of both the local integration scenarios and also explore how these transformations can become a catalyst of city development. Based on key considerations, decision points, and steps for integration, the study will explore the process and outcomes of urban self-settlement of refugees based on the case example of Korean War refugee villages in Busan. Considering the UNHCR definition for human settlement, the study will explore spatial allocation and provision of services, economic dynamics, amelioration of living conditions, and enhancement of transportation networks, as well as recreational spaces using the case study. Thank you.